We got some band butt exercises lined up. It's gonna make your body feel better, help your back out, make you stand taller. Try them out, let me know what you think. Workout Wednesday. Mini bands. I feel like everyone should own them. I love them. They help your back, lower back feel better. They keep your glutes, your butts feeling strong, being strong, help your squat game. Traveling, these are the best for it. Pack them in your suitcase, doesn't take up any weight, any space. These make you feel good, and it's the true test. You gotta be strong with these bands. This is the best one. You warm up. This is preheating the oven exercise is what I call it right here, because you do this before your big squats. You do this to humble your average person too. You do this to make the average person feel better. Tall, abs in, butt in. See you later. I'm gone. I'm not going far because I got weak hips, weak glute medius muscle. This is the best exercise you start. You do this right off the gate, now you're going. It's hard. You're already in the hard motion and now you're cooking with grease. Little bend to the knees. Abs in, stay tall. Don't lean forwards. Don't lean forwards, that's lower back. Stay tall. You're going for this outer butt muscle. Drive through the heels. Push through the hips. Push through the heel, push through the hips. Try and stay tall. Don't go forwards. Abs in. See you later again. Going to maybe 6-8 reps. Not stopping. Try and keep those feet hip width apart. Tension doesn't leave your hips the whole time. They're burning. Bands, bands. This one's says heavy, it's not heavy. These ones kind of stack up, a few of them even. Put it above the knees, warm up some squats. So love wall squats, warming yourself up for posture. When I mean wall squats, I mean facing the wall. We'll go toes about 1 and 11, pointed open, 1 o'clock 11. Bands above the knees, arms go high. Want to work on that shoulder flexibility posture. Push the butt out. Keep it lined up straight. All the bands you can get from Amazon or any website will have different strength levels. Light ones will be better for the high reps, shoulder exercises. One thing you should pay attention to is just the actual length of the band. Not all bands are made the same. One set of bands I've had for about 15 years, overpriced, the shipping costs a ton. One set I bought off Amazon thinking I lucked out, right? So these bought off Amazon, super cheap. This from Perform Better, I've had these 15 years. You can see the size difference though. So the blue Perform Better, way tighter. What it does is it always keeps the tension on your hips. The difference is these red ones from Amazon or all the different color ones from Amazon, it's just too wide. It doesn't hold its position, stretch. So these ones will Perform Better. Buy once, cry once. This is one of the best exercises for your butt, your lower back, make you feel better. Hip raises with the mini band. You can start your first set just holding. I like the first set, drive the hips up, get the butt squeezed, hips squeezed. Open the band, hold the tension, and just hold it. Good 30 seconds. Don't lose that.